Today we're going to show you how to apply our new IBD soft gel tips. Start off by finding the right size for your nail. Make sure the tip covers the entire nail bed from side to side. If you are between sizes, choose a larger size and file it down to make the soft gel tip fit properly. Push back cuticles and trim if needed. Using a buffing block, gently buff the nails to remove the natural shine. Dust off the nail surface. Next, apply IBD Dehydrate to the nails. Then apply IBD Power Bond. Apply a thin layer of IBD soft gel adhesive to the natural nail. Cure for 30 seconds. On the inside of the soft gel tip, apply a thin layer of IBD soft gel adhesive. Make sure to only apply to the length of the natural nail. Place the soft gel tip on the natural nail. Lightly press down the tip starting from the cuticle to the free edge in order to push out any air bubbles between the natural nail and the soft gel tip. If you do not have enough product, remove the tip and add more. If there is too much product, wipe off the excess. Keep applying pressure and flash cure under LED lamp for 15 seconds. Once all of the nails are done, cure for a full 30 seconds under an LED lamp. If soft gel adhesive leaks from sidewalls, use a file to remove. Before polishing, buff the entire nail surface and dust off. Apply your favorite IBD lacquer or gel polish and top coat.